Hi friends, welcome back everyone to today's live trading video. The quote for today, if at all you look into it, it seems to be a bit overconfident, but I would say this is nothing but self-confident, and it gives a lot of booster, especially when you are having a trading plan and having a trading system which is clear cut and you are very sure, pretty much sure that you'll be achieving your goals. The quote is said by himself, Warren Buffett. I always knew I was going to be rich. I don't think I ever doubted it for a minute. Okay. So when you hear itself, you might say it as self confidence, or some people might say it as overconfidence also. But let me tell you, it gives a lot of booster. Okay. So let us look into today's live trading video. The stock selected was Reliance, and then you can see, as per the trend analysis, the stock was moving sideways, and this is the reason we took a break-in strategy as of today. So you all know that in case if it is trending, we'll be doing the breakout, but in case if it is ranging, then we'll be doing the break-ins. So this is the break-in which we have done, same 0.6% target and 0.4% stop loss. So you can see that both orders have been placed, both are open orders, and nothing much we have to do for the day. And then we just have to see end of the day the profit or loss, and we can see that on this particular, that is today we got a loss of 1000 rupees. We can't help it, it is part of trading. And without wasting much time, let us quickly update into our Excel. So once again, back to back we have got Reliance, and the loss is minus 1000. No issues, it's part of trading, and still overall we are at a profit of 22,627. Okay friends, and just want to give you an update that Upstock is providing free account opening till this weekend. So in case if you want to join Upstock, you can immediately join using the link which I provided, and also you'll be getting a surprise stock, and also you'll be getting 50% discount on my open trades. Okay friends, and also just want to give an update about my options trading tactics program. It's an adjustment program. I'll be learning more about adjustments instead of the strategies, and for any market conditions, how to go forward, how to move your calls, move your puts, and this is best suited for working people because you just have to spend 5 minutes in a week. For further details, you can always WhatsApp me. Okay friends, so thank you and have a nice day.